Massive flooding in Ghana's capital swept stored fuel into a nearby fire, setting off a huge explosion at a gas station that killed 73 people and set alight neighboring buildings, authorities said Thursday. The explosion took place as dozens sought shelter in the gas station and nearby shops in central Accra to escape the torrential rains, and charred bodies were left scattered through the whole site. The flooding caused the diesel and petrol to flow away from the gas station, and a fire from a nearby house led to the explosion, said Billy Anaglade, spokesman for Ghana's National Fire Service.